Palmer County in north central Georgia, Fayette County in north central Georgia, Western Henry County in north central Georgia, northeastern Georgia County in west central Georgia, central Clayton County in north central Georgia, until 6 central Georgia, eastern standard time. County in west central Georgia, central Clayton
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Spalding County in west central Georgia, Fayette County in north central Georgia, West Henry County in north central Georgia, northeastern Coweta County in west central Georgia, central Clayton County in north central Georgia, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Peachtree City, or near Fayetteville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, Fayetteville, Jonesboro, Peachtree City, Stockbridge, Riverdale, Hampton, Tyrone, Morrow, Lovejoy, Sonoy, Brooks, Sharpsburg, Turin, Woolsey, Sunnyside, Lake Spivey, Stars Mill, Walker Mill, and Inman. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for north central and west central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.